Today we will learn about SCL. In SCL, we will try to learn from the beginning of how to add operation, subtraction, finding area of triangle one by one. So completely in this video, we will discuss about SCL, how to create an add operation. Initially, as you know this is a TIA portal. I am in project view. Now you can see this. I already added a PLC into my project, right? Now we'll go for the next. Now I'm going for main OB. So add new block, select the function block, and I'm giving the name called SCL program to add two numbers. Click on OK. Now the function block has been added. Now create one more data block, which is SCL program to add two numbers. So I have created function block and a data block. So in the data block, initially create a tag name that is called add. The data type should be integer. Once the tag name has been created, now go to function block. In the function block, search for the tag SCL. It was in the data block, right? Go to the data block, colon dot add colon equals to some numbers. I am giving right now 1 plus 2 and semicolon. I've written a small logic that I'm adding two numbers 1 plus 2 and adding that data into the tag name called add. So now just open the watch table to monitor the data. So add new watch table. So here we need the tag name called add. So the best thing is just go for the data block and copy paste the tag name. Now just drag and drop function block into the main OB. Just download the program. Once the program is downloaded, now go to watch table, keep the PLC in the run mode and move online and monitor mode. So now just you can see the data monitoring is currently 3. Right? So 2 plus 1 equals to 3. Now you can see same data in the watch table. So like as per our feasibility, I'm just making the windows proper way so that you can able to understand a little more perfect. Yeah, I'll close all the windows better initially, right? Yeah. Now I'll go with the function block in one window. So on the other window, I'll keep watch table. Now this is a watch table, right? On the right side, on the left side is a program. Now we'll do a few more things like I'm adding two tag names. One is switch, and this switch is mainly to control my program. Why? Because so in the last program, in the last line, so we haven't any control on the addition operation because there is no any command or condition. So now I have created a condition called if switch equals to 1, then add 1 plus 50. And the data should be stored in the add tag name. Right? So once the program is done, what I'm doing, I'm just going for download. So once the program has been downloaded, again I'm going for watch table. Now you can see the value 3. Why? Because currently my switch condition is false. Right? Now you can see on the monitor. So whenever you give a command I 0.0, when you make it as true, now the operation is been done. When you remove the operation, it was executing the older one. I think you got my bond, right? So in this way, I have written a condition and executed a addition operation. So I have done two ways. One is direct one and one more is indirect way. Now we'll go with another way. I'm going to DataBlock. Here I'm creating two more things. Input one and its data type is integer, and one more input 2 and its data type is again integer. So I've taken two inputs, and why? Because these are like my global variables. I can use these inputs in the program wherever I create. So why? Because in the older programs, what we have done, we have decided the input 1 and input 2 already in the program itself, and then we added it and we have stored in the addition operation. But currently what I'm doing, I have created two global variables so that I can manage these inputs also whenever it is required. So we'll go for the program. So I'm just doing copy paste in the monitor mode. So I'm going for the program. So our next program is if so better I'll keep this, I'll let the program in the last condition itself. Now I'm doing simple thing. I'm adding that both the new tags into my program. So I have added two things. So for your feasibility, what I'm doing now, I will enter these things into the next row. So then you can see efficiently each and every step. Now you can see this program properly, right? So input 1 tag name plus input 2 tag name, both the data will be stored in the addition operation. So keep the monitor mode. Once it is downloaded, you can check the output in the monitor mode. Now what I'm doing here, So initially, when I go for the input condition, the output is 0 because already in input 1, input 2, output is already it was stored 0, right? So in the last operation is getting executed because in the PLC, as per the sequence, last operation will be executed if the tag name is same. So now what I've done in the input tag name, 1 I get 1000 and 2 I get 10. So I'm just doing simple thing. Keep the input condition true. Now output is 1010. So we can see same thing in the function block itself. Keep it in monitor mode. Now you can see each and every step and the result also properly. The first result it was 3. The second result, I mean input is 2, then you can see 60. But final data is 1010. Why? Because same tag name addition we have used thrice. I mean 3 times we have used it. The last time, the last data will be stored in the last time when we have used that. In this way we can do the addition operation in TIA Portal by using SCL language.